Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to perform a streak plate to isolate bacterial colonies. The first step is to label your plate on the bottom side. This is very helpful when you're doing your streak plate. Next, we want to use aseptic technique and flame our culture tube as well as the loop, which is our transfer instrument. Usually we like to make sure it gets red hot and also giving it enough time to cool down before inserting it into the bacterial culture, because if it's too hot, we risk killing the bacteria. So I have my bacteria on the loop and I'm just smearing it around onto quadrant 1. I'm going to flame the loop in between, and that's the only time that we go into the bacterial culture. After that, we're just flaming the loop to dilute the culture. I'm streaking from 1 to 2. I'll flame the loop again, rotating the plate if you noticed. Two to 3, rotating the plate. And it's sometimes I tap the agar to make sure it's not too hot. And then, yes, there, 3 to 4. So this is how we're going to hopefully see isolated colonies. Our final step is to flame the loop and the culture tube, and then put the plate in the incubator for incubation. This is what the plate looks like after 24 hours of incubation, and you could see that quadrant 1 on the top left has more dense colonies and more bacterial growth. And then as we diluted the culture by flaming the loop, we decreased the amount of colonies so that in quadrant 4 we have some isolated colonies.